Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we are talking about what I eat in a day, what I do to keep in shape, and throw some fashion in there because who doesn't love fashion? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Before we begin, I just want to say if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. And if this is your first time visiting, I hope you stick around. And be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Alright, so let's kind of start with how I go about my day and the things that, not only that I eat, but what I do to stay physically active. So there are a few things that I do every single day regardless, and the first is I drink apple cider vinegar. I use Bragg's unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar. It comes in a bottle like this, and I just put it in a bottle of water and I drink that throughout the day. I mean, I drink multiple bottles throughout the day. It helps with gastritis, it helps with my just any stomach issues that may arise with me. And if you do have any symptoms of like gastritis or stomach problems, I would absolutely look up apple cider vinegar, and I would also talk to your physician. So the other thing that I take every single day, multiple times a day, is a chelated magnesium. I do suffer for magnesium deficiency, more so than just a normal person, but most women suffer from some form of magnesium deficiency. So this is something you may want to talk to your physician about, but I take this throughout the day because I do suffer from a pretty significant deficiency that I cannot get with food. So the chelated magnesium is amazing. It's way better than anything you will find in, you know, like a Walgreens or a CVS. This is actually a form of glycinate. So what happens is this actually binds to the glycerin in our body, and it helps us absorb it better than what you get in the grocery store or pharmacy. I go through my doctor to get this. But I think that you can get it at almost any compound pharmacy in some way or another. But again, talk to your physician. The other thing that I have started taking to boost my energy and also help me sleep at night, the boosting energy part is I have started drinking Teamy tea, and I'm kind of a little addicted to it, I'm not gonna lie. I take it in the morning. I do two different kinds. So I take the Alive in the morning, which helps with fatigue, mental focusing, gives you energy, helps with stomach issues as well, and I have found that I am just super addicted to drinking it in the morning, and I love it. It gives me that boost of energy, especially if I'm going to then work out. And then at night, I drink Teamy Relax. So that has like lavender and chamomile and all of those ingredients that help you just relax and help your body just shut down and get a good night's rest. They have two different kinds, and I just want to show you briefly, but basically they have the ones that are in a bag. So the Teamy Alive comes in your regular tea bag, and then Teamy Relax is a loose leaf. But what's really kind of cool is they have these tumblers, and I just want to say I've got a million drink containers. This one is by far my favorite because there's a few little things here that I really love about it. One, if you are doing the loose leaf, it has a built-in strainer, so you just take that out, you drop your you know, your tea inside the loose leaf, or in this case, this is the bag because it's daytime, I'm drinking the energy, and then you just fill your hot water, you put that, I'm showing it here, you put the little strainer back in, and then you have your loose leaf. So I really love that about it. Second thing is this little part goes all the way back, so it's not like smacking your nose, and then it has a little place for your lip. It's the small little details and things that I get really excited about, and they have them in many colors. In fact, I really want the rose gold one. That's really cute. And then down here, there's like a little place that you could store your little loose leaf tea. For the rest of the day, like if you wanted to make another cup on the go, the leak. And this is double insulated, so so it keeps the tea hot for hours. It kind of blows my mind. So anyways, those are really great. And this isn't sponsored a video, but I do have a discount code because Teamy Tea did reach out to me and asked if I would try their tea. They did send me one, and then I purchased additional so that I could try different ones. And they have a lot of different kinds. Like if you want to do like a cleanse, they have that. If it's kind of weight loss, they have that. I haven't tried those, but I have tried these ones, and I really, really like them. And I love their tumblers. So they did, of course, anytime a company reaches out to me, I tell you this, guys, all the time. One of my requirements is that they do offer a discount code to my subscribers. So I will put all of that information in the description box. Just take a look. So let's start with what I eat in a day. I'm going to show you that video here. Okay. Couple things. The other thing I forgot to tell you with the tea, I like a little bit of sweetener in it. So I use Truvia, which is a low carb, less carb sugar substitute, and I love it so much. So I'll put just half a little packet in there because I do love a little bit of sweetness in my tea. So here is my breakfast: 2 scrambled eggs with a green onion and half an avocado. I am starving. I've got my apple cider vinegar water and my Teamy Alive tea. So I'm gonna have my, there we go. I'm gonna have my breakfast, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do for lunch. Pretty much, for breakfast, I'm gonna usually eat eggs. I try and stay high protein. I do try and stay also low fat as well. So I'm not gonna eat a pound of bacon. It's lunchtime and it's around 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna take that other half of an avocado. And yesterday I actually made some chicken salad, and all I took, super simple, is I took pre-done chicken that you buy at the grocery store and shredded it up, mayonnaise, mustard, a little bit of celery, a little bit of onion, salt and pepper, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I love my apple cider vinegar. And I'm just gonna take a spoonful of that and put it on my avocado. Have it, guys. There is my chicken salad stuffed avocado, and that is going to be my lunch. Throughout the day, if there is a meal that is going to be higher in carbs, I'm going to try and make that towards lunch versus dinner. And I also try not to eat after 5:30. It doesn't always work out. These are just things that I try and do. Guys, all right, so it is about 4:30 and I'm going to have dinner. I'm just gonna have a salad tonight because I'm kind of full. So I'm gonna make enough for today and tomorrow. I'm just not gonna mix the dressing. So I'm gonna do an olive oil and vinegar. So I just have some lettuce. I love this Tillamook cheese. It's really good and it's huge, so that's what I love about it. See, look at this. Look at those pieces. They're so good. So put some cheese in here. I'm gonna chop those up. Mushrooms, but not very many, so I'm just gonna thinly slice them. The olive oil, I love this one. This is from the Oleary, and this one actually has basil flavor, so I'm just gonna put a little of that. And then this is an aged balsamic, 25 years. It's beautiful, and I'm just gonna put a little. I'm not gonna dress it too much because I'm gonna use this salad for tomorrow as well. And there you have it. That is my dinner tonight. Okay, carb. If you are interested, I do have recipes that I have done in the past, and there is a playlist. Next, what do I do to stay in shape? My favorite thing that I do and that I have been doing for the past 8 months is Taekwondo. I am officially an orange belt. And my son has been doing it since he was 6. He is training for his black belt. I'm extremely proud of him because it's I never realized how hard it was until I started doing it. And originally we just started it as an exercise program, my girlfriend and I. And then we realized we really love to hit and kick things. And we love the self-defense aspect of it. So that's my favorite part. I love hitting and kicking things. I love breaking boards. It is a very big high. So that's what I do, and I'm show you a video here. The other thing that I do is I do go to the gym. I used to be extremely diligent about going to the gym. It is much more difficult because I do Taekwondo 3 days a week, but I try and do I do weight training when I am at the gym, and throughout this I'll just show you some videos so you can get an idea of what I do. And so I do try and work out about 5 days a week, 3 with Taekwondo, 2 at the gym, or if I can't make it to the gym, I do work out at home. I have weights as well, so I try and stay physically active. I also have 2 dogs that came in, and well, 1 dog and a puppy. She's laying down right now taking a nap. She's right by me, and she's the cutest thing by far. So let's talk fashion, why not, right? I am going to put in the description box some of my favorite leggings, tops, tennis shoes, socks, everything that I love as far as workout gear, because I am very particular about it. Sometimes I'll wear like a t-shirt like here today. But if I'm really gonna, get super hot super fast, especially in Taekwondo, I typically wear workout tops. So I will have a list in the description box so that you guys could take a look at some of my favorite workout gear. I will tell you that for me, what I like is support. So the leggings are going to have some sort of compression in them. Some have more than other, but they're all gonna have compression because that's the kind of workout leggings that I like. And as far as the tennis shoes are concerned, I don't use them for Taekwondo, I go barefoot. But when I am at the gym or when I'm walking, I like Nike Zoom. They are my favorite workout shoes. They're the only ones I own. I own them about 3 colors, and I just keep getting them every year because they're lightweight, and I like that about them. So they're an awesome shoe if you've never tried the Nike Zoom. And again, everything will be in the description box. So that's how I try and take care of myself, try and stay healthy, try and be active. These are the things that so far are working for me. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye guys.